dinde bebe kunjun zo de banzi samu chore danan xin kunjun number 2 dang danan xin choro number 2 samro ya samji de zhe li shui
I'd like to begin by once again thanking and welcoming our chief guest, Spalzes Ongmo, our other distinguished guests here, and all of my Dharma friends. Thank you for being together with me.
And the Christmas Day in Batang. Any garzada, Denjong losa, Ladag losa. Any Nazupulia losa Chungjung style. Didn't get this. Losa Chamber the Chungjung near. Didn't losa Chung the bit. Dagash, losa Mambuchiniam the Caddy, Liza, Thomas Samrolia, and Gashweda. To do some distillation and number 10 gets so then you don't junior nalolia, you don't junior nalagis manguarji, world we end to Mambujar that idea, and to Mambujar, etc. You don't junior nalolia and number 10 gets some law and a Kunkam Samadang, a chawalam do you a monopsum.
Today seems to be a very special day. It's Christmas Day. It's New Year's in Sikkim. It is New Year's Day in Ladakh. And also I think that my hometown in Tibet celebrates a minor New Year's Day around this time as well, maybe. So there's a major New Year and a minor New Year. I think the minor New Year is around this time as well. So it's a very special day in these many ways. And I'd like to offer you all my warmest greetings. 2012 is kind of a controversial year in the sense that all kinds of rumors are swirling about as to what might happen. Some people say the world might end in 2012 and so forth. We don't know what the year holds, but I personally would like to share my prayers with you that your health will be excellent in the year 2012 and that all of your activities will be successful in accord with the Dharma.
And Dana is in the Tusum Kemba Gomba Zobe Nimudi didn't show you. Good Chumbe Nimadi Save Yamane Lujunan Gomba Zobe Nimadi Penda Juji bit Sevasum Ibre Nilus not in the Penda Juji bit Sevasum Kayane Dagandaji Dindiji Tuzu Cabaret the Digilia. And number 10 gets some law. Casualty gave up Casahane, gave up Minder Shibus on the pay over Imata, and Dana she any Azuzica says Antique. Chot the Risuma Chebe, the Nambe, Tiba the Truda, Minjawa, Samanon, Samane, and the council day, Plan Zonga, Kokab Chumbati. Shiraji Karsway, Gavsha Chons, Di Karchungors and around to some law, Demba Chigda, Demba Chig, but the turn to a Jungu of Chita. Dana she in an answer to Demba Shaka to be 2G Chilab Yolia, Alzheimer, Dungshu Gidi Chen, Zambulinia, Zambulin CD Chado, and Same. 가서다 냠도 심슈 계기였지 총그레 정도
The first Karmapa Dusim Khenpa passed away in this month of the Tibetan calendar. Olaso. On this day of this month of the Tibetan calendar, he was said to have passed away on the third day of the 11th month of the Tibetan calendar. However, the exact date of his birth is not clear in his histories. And so at this very special time that we are all gathered here, we can acknowledge that all of us come from so many different places and from so many different groups of people. I've been told that there are representatives of 42 different countries gathered here in this room. And in the same way, there are representatives of many different Buddhist traditions, many different vehicles of Buddhism, many different philosophical schools of Buddhism. So there's such a great variety that is represented here, and the opportunity that we have to gather together in this way with such a spirit of unity represents the fact that we are all students of one teacher, the Buddha, that we are all followers of one teaching, the Buddha Dharma, and that we are all, with full heart, trying the very best that we can to follow the Buddha's example, practice the Buddha's teachings, and bring peace to the world. And I think that's a wonderful thing.
아니 야 다나 쇼베베게 왕고에 걸리 시아총 지진의 그냥 디두산 기교 세면서 상례 생유기 말에 양가지 슈네 개바스케민도 아주 좀 최체사디 가서 이제 쌤 이제平均 참보요 아니平均 자신 자와요 아니 쌤래 시디 시 신점요 근데这个제도确实要的마도 아주 양지确切是都啥呢来不超钱对吧아니 나다确实내出的可出的아니 내抄的可抄钱아니来不超钱아니 간sam서도出不少那出不少超钱去但你的家的아주确切가서确切路的那말에 근데 도啥呢确切个密语的아니确切个가서的고바르디 아주 많어 지지 쪽과의 개심시라래 아주다 남바 상계에 나도 저불링이 털이야 데 장보 체비나 남바 상계 버디 장보 체지 쳐요 말에 장 망보지 쳐요 말에 라성 장 라성 또 이네 남바 핀준에 시라데 튠제요 말봐 남바 장윤유 디핀준 시라 튠제요 말에 나지 아직 티버지 호티버지래서로 야나지 가정아 주대지 고 주대신다니 튠지샤요 말에 다들 오늘 제베나 좀 톱게라 투지체와 다 든지기 아주 제순 중 주두산에 아주 현래비 니지체 현래 삼로 구양 현래 땅념 체와지 고로 봐 이내 아주 돼요 말이지 지선의 현래 주보사르지 현래비 가르쳐 다지 단도 아주 나발이야 필로소피 망보샤여자 필로소피 디기뱅 나제기야 시르 차지 그러니까 내 필로소피 디 콜레 야가요 그 필로소피 디 가스 가르쳐다 딱딱 체다르지 말롱되면서 니제제 어디 초스감도 봐 다디 덤베 탑게는 도지 체외 제순 주베 고된티 창요 말에 이네 디균세 때는 엔터링 안데 지 남바 가서 가네 좀 전에 좀 더들이야 아주다 남바 인스제 민감버지 키워디 핑겨 말에 조디 덤바 좀 된들에 아주 봐 미비대체 안에 공기 에너지 투지샤와 안다나지 땅념 아는 공기 참지 되게들이야 되게 가서 로브션 휴제 되게 아주 미진나로리야 라네 따르고 제거 개심시라네 제마다 안 남버상계비 이제 따와 차버지 기대비 개개 편도 많네 딘 전부린래 지前呢 욕점하고 따르지다 풍주기 주차 그냥 거야 내 이제 두사야 없이 하고 개심
I also wanted to offer a few remarks in conclusion, and these remarks I offered this morning in Tibetan during the empowerment, but they were not translated, so to offer them in brief once more. The whole purpose of our practicing the Dharma is to make ourselves more harmonious people, to make our minds more peaceful and gentle. The purpose of the Dharma is not to become more set in our ways, more stubborn, and more divisive in relationship to others. But what happens sometimes is that... No, it's okay. So, the purpose of the Dharma isn't so that we can just identify ourselves as a Buddhist and say, I follow this tradition, he follows that tradition, and solidify our identity in that way. It's important to remember that the basic purpose of the Dharma is to transcend that kind of divisiveness. And it's important for us to be honest as Buddhists and be a little bit self-critical. There are not too many Buddhists in the world when we compare the global Buddhist population with the populations of other traditions. But at the same time, we're not so great in the intra-Buddhist harmony department. We have lots of room for improvement when it comes to getting along with each other as Buddhists. So it's kind of ironic because you would think that given the Buddha's emphasis on skillful means, compassion, equanimity, and so forth, that Buddhists would have more compassion with each other, more equanimity towards each other, more skillful means towards each other. But actually, in practice, if we look at ourselves and our history and the way we've gotten along with each other, sometimes it's been the case that we've been more unharmonious than other religions. We've had less equanimity towards each other than other religions. So we need to remember that the purpose of Buddhist practice is that so our minds become more open, more relaxed, and so that we don't divide ourselves on the basis of our philosophy, that we don't cling to some kind of identity as being a Buddhist and use that to separate ourselves from others and criticize others, thinking our philosophy is better and the other's philosophy is worse. So I think it's very important that we remember that in the context of this gathering, when there's so many people from different groups gathered together, that's the purpose of being a Buddhist, is to learn how to be open, more caring of others, and to stay away from the drama of pitting ourselves against each other. So this is a perfect opportunity for us to practice the Buddha's message of compassion and equanimity. So as Buddhists and as students, all of us of the same teacher, Buddha Shakyamuni, we should focus on him as an example of compassion and equanimity, train in those qualities, and try to really bring those into practice in our day-to-day lives. Otherwise, there's a danger that rather than collectively bringing more peace and harmony to the world, that we will actually bring more disturbance and ruin to the world. So please keep this in mind.
그런 아주 빼샤요 상계리야. 다리 빼 가는 거 이제. 게 군용이 길에. 쇼 예저 되네. ene 상계리야 미지기 ene 가서 젠댕 쿠아 추체 젠댕 쿠아 추네 ene 마사지 단 거라스 다 상게 기부스 거라스 다초 신다지네 연원에 ene 베 미지기 떨이 춘주지 키용지 떨이 싱가봐 ene 베 상게데 슈거라스다 ene 이나 기 상게 코란 기리 외딩 상게디 근데 마사지 단계 되던 내 앞다리 슝게디 니래야 아니 장년기 왜 여와매 봐 통영 받았어 다 당용 제가 안에 상계에 되게 니ring 매베 당용 연제 매봐 다 연제 매봐 장년기 연제 매봐让더缺사 연제 매봐 된저기 통니지 전부지다 당용 전부지 여버디 아주 빼를 거지 빼다 얘는 마샤브지 뒤 되는 마 냠내는 자고도 개심시다 아주 이 상계 두지 전부들에 아니 밴드제레스야 빼고야지 백문도 빼디 되는 맞아지 대안지 소수의 냠내는 정말 루주시에야 많이 봐 상계 이지 제압을 니 제압을 사서 많이 보지 아주 다들 심규래야 자르지 아주 덤베 지주체 안엔 따고 하다 개심시다 그래서 ben tingjilengi umanji mangul lasa tingjilia afghanistan anga judi 다 가지들이 망보지 다른 사람 일렸어 아니 그저 고란주 아프가니스탄 멍주다들이 망보에 자꾸 셈베데 기부시다메 민도 제가 당 아주 계절없이 지지잖아 고란주 다른 사람 영화디 조디 find peace 제가 용빈이스 다 그래서 이제 시디차가 용빈이스 근데 주장에 계시야 총소 내가 아직 니네 temple 다 가서 인자 찾아기지만 다 내가 괜찮잖아 바민 부다이 봐 맞지 또 근데 심지 봐 상계 근데 심지 다디 다 가서 디주 도르래 네 도르디 니주디 당아서 남부 창물로 섭리야 지 가르쳐야지 셈방으로 지다지 셈을 숨게하러 충분해 다 이네 다티 네거티브 지구에 도는 삶을 마다지 포지티브 도는 즉 삼방이나 무슬림 주로 나눠래야 이슬람 주로 나눠래야 지 베나 god samara Allah kuranji kusuya berada yan Muhammad dili kusu kunda dili sumdo wa 제가 kusu di kunda sa dile ji magar shwe ta 당 아주 남배 에너지 아주 땜바데 구수 수행인 장. 다 디바달야지 구수 디기 아주지 가서 가지다 남배니 버를 깨져셔야 돼. 구수 디 거다가야 소르지. 아 기시지잖아. 구수 바지 또네. 지지는 아주 타녀는 좋아네. 신경 말았어. 대야 상계 틀레지. 드린두스다네. 간다. 아주 사물을 로고 깨지. 땜바 조합 상계 좀 된 데게 땜바 담배 취. 전부는이야 배야데. 심전 탐지기 펜딘 중에 펜다 대변 중에지 공체 땜바 담배 취 지대는 배워래. 다 펜다 대변 중에지 용만 용사디. 다당 아주 땜바 진행이 가사. 저도 좋아해 낸 자도 나는 김바에 낸 자도 아주 상물로 에너지 셈리야 차단处理면 봐 셈리 시디야 봐 셈리 꾸념이야 봐 나는 셈리야 리미기 셈제 탐지기 대화도 동에 셈리 샤지 되게 더 자와체고야 개침시다 그래서 되게 충분히나 상계 때문에 전부링도 내가 되어 봐지 당 아니 그거야 봐지 그래서
상계기 배디 무슨 중요해 로규디
무슨 중요해
젠댕기
하고 봤다
올라서
무슨 중요하지 젠댕 로규디 아 지금 봐 지금 왜 봐지 암조 도와 깨접대 끼지 줘 봐. 다들 배레스 라이브상 가요 당해 덤바 띵인지 쇼디도 산데 암조는 깨접을 로규지 야 다딩에 주셔 다 근데 중요 기름만 안 백그라스 게 매와
맞아
다 중요하지 라자 중요하면 중요
Lesson? There is a legend about Buddha Shakyamuni a story in which it is said that to his right side was a person massaging him with sandalwood oil, and to his left side was a person chopping at his body with an axe. And even while both people were treating him in these different ways, the Buddha remained motionless in a state of equanimity, free from any attachment and aversion, free from any thought of enemy or friend, in a state of complete impartiality, free of any concept of those close to him or those far away, free of any distinction between me and you. This is the example that we really must bring into our actual practice as Buddhists. And this is very important. We can't just think of the Buddha and say, oh yes, the Buddha did this, that's the noble example. We actually have to bring the teaching that that example gives and apply it very directly in our experience. And that is the way to be genuine followers of the Buddha. Another story that I like to share about being free from divisiveness is connected to a visit that I once had from a group of Muslim people around the time that the Bamiyan Buddhas had been destroyed in
No.
afterwards.
After some years.
After some years, okay. Bad translator. Bad translator. So these Muslim people that visited me were very saddened about, they're from Afghanistan, and they were very saddened about the state of war in Afghanistan. And they said that they had come to Dharamsala as a part of their quest for peace. And I got a chance to share some of my sentiments with them in regard to the destruction of the Bamiyan Buddhas. And I wasn't just trying to impress them. I really shared these thoughts from the bottom of my heart. I said that, of course, one can be sad about the destruction of these Buddhas, but at the same time, one can think about it in a positive way. In the tradition of Islam, as we know, one is forbidden from making physical representations of Allah. One is also forbidden from making physical representations of the Prophet Muhammad. And so there is a distinct preference in the faith of Islam against making physical representations of divinity. The Buddhist tradition, as we know, is different from that. The Buddhist tradition is rich in physical representations of the Buddha, and we always make statues of the Buddha and enlightened masters. So there's these two very different approaches that these traditions have taken. And you can see that, in a sense, these physical representations, these statues, might just stand in the way between us and stop us from communicating with each other. They might be something that stops us from talking to each other. And maybe with the falling of the Bamiyan Buddhas, rather than solely looking upon that as a deplorable event, just maybe we can see that as an opportunity for an opening between our two faiths, so that more communication can take place between us, and so that the wall that had separated us may become more open now. I think we need to learn to think in new ways along these lines and learn how to be brave. The Buddha propagated his teachings in the world in order to be a source of benefit and happiness. And the holders of the Buddha's teachings, whether they are monastic or householders, propagate the Buddha's teachings and hold to the Buddhist teachings for the purpose of bringing more peace and harmony and happiness to the world, and for the purpose of letting go of our attachment and aversion in relationship with sentient beings. So that's really one of the most important qualities that we should cultivate, is this spirit of being free from bias and free from partiality when relating to others.
땅념 다 참제 다나신 처음에 되게 배야 랭겐 리여데비미래 제가 아주 어느 배 가서 군조선 점조선 전에 지가 흘르지 대대야 지금 말해 버지 가서 상으로 양긴구 현의 매병긴구 전부 지어래 성도 제가 안다 지가 나로리야 엄마지 나바상게 비추 다르지 시비지 캬베 총물에 지수 나바상게 비추 노브레 안들이 지가를 베네제 도트 아메리카 신로 아니 콜라소베 지기부터 마부 전세 자가를 양자 답에 취배래 안다나신 자가름 치 조르 규베 변해지 아니 변미 마부 자가를 잡전 좋아지 디수 규네야 벼들 아니 다르베 안다 나와상게 최대한 라야 자가르도 아니 수레도 버려 총네 딱 간다 되게 상로 상로 지 가셔에 담바상게 좀 된 대기 에너지 가셔다 지 니지 챔비 토르 총대바 이미 지고르지 제가 아주 상로 그지 에너 유나이트 somewhere 균지체네 엔저블린이야 시리와다 디기와키 에네 가서는 배주셔와도 시작해 첨래 제가 안들이데 에너지 배랑 아주 자가 나오리게 되베 에너지 자가 나버서래 에네 히말라야 리규 소래 다는 배바 소래 개금 때문에 배배 에네미 소래 상원의 냠도 전대베 걸이야 아주 직 상로 사버스다체 마음발랑 아주 more unite somewhere 공부 지리를 체제 에너지 땅 아주지 남바 상계베 최 서머베 남바 상계베 최디 에네베 약슈이 대인지미 점불린 참말로 배고여서 그지 말해 이내 아술이야 긴구르디 상계가 망아로 아술 나와 긴구르디 가라서나 에네 점불린들이야 에네지 꾸념다 참즈다 처음에 사변 따와디 아주 랭겐디 상계 만나셔도 되레 내비사네 아 데이터리양 아주 삼의 냠도 자화체고야 돼 개체물들이 동도 없어 다 망보시다시 이문다 망보시다시는 정어도 못쳤다 칼란데 기지 사고 계슬
I think that as Buddhist practitioners, our responsibility in the world is to propagate the qualities of impartiality, equanimity, loving kindness, benevolence, and nonviolence. Once we take refuge in the three jewels, our job from that point onward is not to take it easy. I think that being a Buddhist, a committed Buddhist, is a major responsibility. The Buddhist teachings were born in India and flourished in India for many centuries. After some time, they disappeared from the noble land of India. Through the efforts of Dr. Ambedkar, as we heard about today earlier, the Buddhist teachings were once again able to flourish in the land of India. In terms of the teachings that had spread and flourished in the land of Tibet, these as well were once again able to flourish in the land of India due to the kindness chiefly of His Holiness the Dalai Lama and many other great beings. And all of this is done by following the example of the noble heart of the Buddha's great compassion. It is very important for us to unite around this spirit and be harmonious with each other so that we can truly work to bring more happiness and peace to the world. In particular, there are many people here who are joining us who are our Indian brothers and sisters, as well as peoples from the Himalayan regions and Tibetan people. And also many people from the international community who are our Buddhist brothers and sisters. I think it's time for all of us to learn how to think in a new way, to consider ourselves as Buddhists not for the purpose of needing to spread the Buddhist religion throughout the world so that everyone else becomes a Buddhist, but for the purpose of accepting a responsibility to increase the presence in the world of acceptance, of equanimity, and impartiality, to plant seeds of these genuine qualities in the world and to work towards that goal. I think it's very important for us to motivate ourselves in this way.
ane 공예를 만지면 대표대 나랑 개외에 사물이야 가셔다 도시샤인 ane 딱 감아 군지 다 주로 봐도 전 심벌에 드레이드산에 딱 군지 주로 상물로 다 드린 대비제는 좀 하다 갈아 가버시와 다 드린 좀네 괜찮아서 면서 다 군지 주로 상물로 냠돈 좀나 그런지 가르쳐디 language problem 유지해서 가시가 감 내용 가시에 디가 위자는 용 language problem 자자 네 오늘도 전배 까먹고 군지 주로 주가 참여 첩슈제 아니 가서 상물로야 내 배우대 시작 가버총 아니 그런지 가셔에 까마비 자바데 가라서 샘제긴 조되래 샘제긴 조되는디 아니 샘제를 라래요래 드레 인두산에 아니 결혼수응원에 가셔야지 사삼당 아니 다나시 대구당 다나시 아니 잡교를 채벌 때네 아니 지 샘제긴 까마비 자바 지 샘제긴 조되는디 아니 지 참여 줄이야 가셔야지 사변 답답하지 용고야래 드린 인두산 대균선 때에 대진긴 제고디 까마베 제전 차가 제고 좀더 마세베 아니 롱고 구제진이야 까마베 제친단 제베 제친이야 잡교 난겐다 다나시 엔텔이야 디구숑긴 미참메기 제제를 차대야래 드린 인두산 대균선 때에 드린 양간 내 기랑주 팽겐수 의미냐 다나시 엔디디 제고디 나로리아 메타메버지 차디 여비 인두산에 강 참로리이네야 예 니타번에 도체당 거르치 쉐아인
So many of you have come from so far away to be a part of this commemoration of the 900-year anniversary of Karmapa. And so many of you have worked so hard to make this happen. On an occasion like this, it would be difficult for all 16 previous Karmapas to be present. And even if all 16 previous Karmapas were present, I think they would have language difficulties in communicating with each other. Some would be coming from Kham, some would be coming from Central Tibet, and we might have language difficulties. So therefore, on behalf of all of the previous 16 Karmapas, I'd like to thank you for coming here and say that I'm very happy that you are here. The activity of the Karmapas is to benefit beings, and benefiting beings is something that depends upon sentient beings themselves. And part of that picture is you. Throughout the years, many beings and many good people, such as yourselves, have offered their pure intentions, their faith, their respect, and their support to the activity of the Karmapas. They have worked hard to help plant the seeds of benefiting others, bringing happiness to others. And therefore, I'd like us to view this commemorative festival not just as a commemoration of Karmapa, but a commemoration and a recollection and celebration of the activity that benefits beings, and in fact, of all of the people who have supported this enlightened activity for the past 900 years. All of the people who have had faith in this activity, have had respect in this activity. Without people like this, and you are included in this, this activity would not be possible. So people like you are indispensable to this endeavor, and I'd like to thank you from the bottom of my heart.
And we get during organization, and the Andanashi, the Jabjo Nangi, the Mustwa Yava, Jabro Yava, energy, Samen, the Samology, Kashu Trobo Yonata, Tabdeva Yombata, and Danashi, Kashueta, Zegon, the Lidu Yon Cheto, and tuzu mangu tansi ene ji kaso lunga yisungi beba tuma che yare dege dele ne ya nge to chena shayin an da ne ngasu de zhongha da zidu jin le ji na lo liang ngasu ze gon de cha chung de yang zhongha gi jin da da an da ne xin zhongha le ji ba cha me ngwe ne ya la sam kaso da xian de nang yue bin de dele ya to chena shayin and that Mambaji Lavas came in do, and that just a teach shed and G. Lavando Delta. Mambaji Lavando Mindus and G. Level choose to was.
I'd also like to thank the organizers of the Karmapa 900 celebrations for their support. Both those who are visible, who are working the front lines, so to speak, and those who are not visible and who have been working in the background. They have worked very hard and applied a lot of effort, physically, verbally, and mentally, so that we could all be comfortable here during the celebrations, so that we could enjoy ourselves throughout this experience. And so I'd like to thank them for all of their hard work. I'd also like to thank and express my gratitude for our opportunity to have this gathering in this beautiful hotel. I'd like to thank the owners of the hotel, the executives of the hotel, the staff of the hotel who have generously related to us, have provided us this wonderful space, and have been generous to us in many ways. Thank you very much.
Kechimbaji la imita, Azudi, Kigur Nangenda, Nanaji internet chale Nangi. That did the Keshim Chadi are, Azuden Zom Deva, me, the Kasu, Dunga Gages Mother Yamare. internet online tol dange mi dong cha ke jire je za ka shui ji kona zu ka shui chale na di ne be ka shui da ji lab che shi cha di ya de je za kona sang lo li ne to se na shui en da na ji ji sound system light da de de song ge sang lo en to se shu me da tu ji chi nga zu ji be be ne de 주 tab to ji ya de cha sha ro ba tam jie la sa ji
拉生
对吧？土地是需要把他们这的，那边土地是属于是，但是这些都需的呢，俺看些辣，俺看些土，但是样的土什么找不差个鱼了么什么吃，然后土了些当中啊个鱼差呢，要不要嘛的？这样子这些都需要花钱，大看他长毛那个土地些的 top 中两百几十。
他是พระเสร็จนะ
Secret transmission.
And my thank yous wouldn't be complete, although I'll say more about that in a moment, without thanking the internet team and the internet translators who have been working very hard throughout the program. There's only about 700 or 800 of us gathered here, but I've heard that there's 1,000 people watching online. So it's thanks to the whole internet team and the people who have been translating over the internet that those people can join us in their various locations throughout the world. So I'd like to thank all of you very much for your work. It's a very powerful way of communicating and staying connected that you have provided people. Thank you. I'd also like to thank the people who did the sound, who worked on the lighting and so forth. And really, I'm grateful to everyone who has contributed in any way to this gathering. There is a saying in a Tibetan practice text that says, "I prostrate to all of those who are worthy of prostration." And at this point, I'd really like to say truly that I extend my gratitude to everyone who is worthy of gratitude. So inevitably, whenever these thank you speeches are given, some people are left out. And I definitely wouldn't want that to be a cause for irritation to arise in your mind. So please know that you have received my gratitude.
땅 하나님 마도 라마스다 타만들. 다 제가 안 하나님이라 좋지. 아니 Thailand from all where?
Where?
We're from United States.
Yes, from Seattle.
Seattle, yes. I'm from Tibet. Yes. Today we stand back and the Shubada and Danashi Kiranzu Jayu Ngosiaba Trouble and Danashi online told Dangi Samololia Yangar and Merry Christmas, Danashi Happy New Year, Samolo Jobi and Monopshay Tosiana.
So to you and all of your family, all of the people who are close to you, to all of the people you are connected with, I wish you all the best in happiness and Merry Christmas. Thank you very much.